Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I'm going to talk about fuses and an easy way to get them out of the fuse panel. So once you locate the fuse block, let's say you have a blown fuse and you don't have the nice little tool or any pliers with you because you're out and about. Really guys, you can use anything. Here's some regular keys. These are my truck keys and stuff. You can use the bike key, which I don't have on me right now. You know, these things can be really hard to pull out, so if you don't have, well, that's a spare, so that one's easy. But if you don't have the tools just with you, you know, you're out on the side of the road, you need to pop a fuse, you know, back in there, or even just check one. What you want to do is just take whatever you have, like a key, and use the next fuse as an anchor point, and just kind of pry on that lip right there. Most fuses have a little lip at the top, and you can see it's kind of trying to grab, and then just put a little pressure on it and pull it up. Now if it won't come up, maybe use a different key or something, or what you can do is you can actually pry from the bottom of the fuse, but this will actually allow that fuse to come up a little bit like that. See that? And now once it's up a little bit, you can either pull it out or keep prying on it. See, I still can't get it. So I'm going to go down again, and I'm just putting my finger there so it doesn't fly away. And you can see that it pulled it right out. And this one's good. This fuse is still good. So there you go, guys. Maybe that little trick will help you get that fuse out of there easier. And again, works on cars, bikes, tractors, ATVs, whatever you want to use it on. If it has a fuse, this will work. See, it just pops it right out. Well, there you go, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.